So I'm one of those people that if I'm not constantly building something or doing something, it's kind of like Ricky Bobby. I don't know what to do with my hands. So I have been building the QC trend indicator, which is free for 30 days to anybody who signs up on quantcrawler.com. You get a 30-day trial. Then after that, it's $9.99 a month. So our Discord community just broke 6,000 members the other day. We have a massive community of traders in there, and the QC trend indicator, people customizing it and fine tuning it to the best win rate with the best P&L and so on, has kind of spread like wildfire. It's going crazy in there. And so I knew as soon as I put out the indicator, it was going to be requested to be made into a strategy. So I've done just that. I've turned it into a strategy, and it's with the beta testers right now. It's probably going to be there for at least 2 weeks while we forward test it, make sure there's no issues. And then at some point in August, I'll announce the release date of the strategy. And I want to show you what the actual strategy looks like. And also, it has full automation capabilities. So let me show you some of the results I've already found on the strategy in my Python engine using a 70-30 walk forward backtest. So before I show you guys the backtested numbers, I want to show you this right here on the properties tab. In this strategy, you can see here the commission is 62 cents per contract and the slippage is 2 ticks. So I have commissions and fees priced in and I have slippage factored in. So these numbers aren't fabricated to look good for YouTube or anything like that. These are the real numbers of this backtested strategy with a 70-30 walk for Python backtest over the last 365 days. So I'm on MGC, the 3-minute time frame. I'm going to come down here to the strategy report and open it up over the last 365 days. You can see here the total P&L is $12,007 with a max drawdown of $2,312 for a profitable trades rate of 77.36% and a profit factor of 1.423. And this is over 583 trades in the last 365 days. Now, let's just go look at our custom date range here. We'll go up to, let's just look January 1 to current day. You'll see we do hit a little bit of a rough patch as with all things trading, but we still are positive. The total P&L is 5,393, a max drawdown of 2,611 for an almost 81% profitable trades rate over 244 trades and a profit factor of 1.424. Now, when we move to the last 90 days, you'll see that this trend strategy really starts to pick up right here in the last 90 days. And the 30-day is like it doesn't even look like it would be possible. So let's just stay here and I'll stay focused for a minute. 90 days, the P&L is $5,943. And this is running one contract, by the way. $5,943 on one contract, a drawdown of $763 for an almost 86% profitable trades rate over 145 trades and a profit factor of 2.219. Now, looking at this curve right here, you can already tell the 30 days is unreal. You have a P&L of $2,691. You have a drawdown of $431 for a 90% profitable trades rate over 50 trades and a profit factor of 3.688. So this is absolutely incredible, but big picture, looking at the last 365, we are positive the whole way through. We have that lull, kind of like we looked at on the chart at the beginning of the year, but overall, last 365 days, 583 total trades, $12,000 P&L, drawdown of $2,312, profit factor of 1.423. So my QC signals is great, and QC trend is shaping up to be the exact same way, and it's pretty insane. So that's it. I don't have this good of an MGC strategy on QC signals. So right now, this is the best gold trading strategy for automation that I have out at this time, or that will be coming out in August, the next few weeks. So let's kick over and look at MNQ on the 3-minute as well. This is the other time frame and ticker that held strong, and I'm forward testing both of these right now. I'm going to show you the same thing. MNQ 3-minute time frame right here, commission 62. I need to actually change this per contract. I'm only running one contract, so fixed wouldn't matter, but running one contract, I'll just have that so it scales. Slippage is 2 ticks. Over the last 365 days, this has a total P&L of $11,284.50 for a drawdown of $910, an almost 72% win rate on 987 trades, and a profit factor of 1.373. Pretty happy with that. So we'll go over to January 1 of 2026 and run it through current day today. The total P&L is $8,811, max drawdown of $910.50, just like the annual, 70.15% profitable trades rate over 583 trades, and a profit factor of 1.446. The last 90 days, 6,642 for a drawdown of $814, 71% profitable trades rate over 276 trades, and a profit factor of 1.69. And the last 30 days alone, again, this is one contract, $2,041 on your P&L, a drawdown of $579. Profitable trades is almost 70% over 89 trades in 30 days, and a profit factor of 1.638. So, with all of that being said, let's kick back to the 365 and look big picture. The micro scopes of 90 and 30 days are cool, but looking over the course of the year, both of these strategies perform very well. You would have to manage the MGC one if you're running a 50K prop firm account. It's over $2,000 on the drawdown. If you guys were running these together, it actually is better. And you would be able to, in theory, based on the back tested results, if those repeated themselves exactly perfect going forward, your MNQ wins would offset your MGC losses on those days. So that happens, your blended total drawdown is around $1,700. So again, in theory, if you were running a $50,000 account all year long and you had both of these strategies running, you would never hit $2,000 on a drawdown, even intraday, because MNQ wins with the quick scalps are offsetting the MGC losses. So again, the difference between QC trend strategy that's coming out and QC signal strategy is QC signals is consistent K ratio the whole entire way, and it takes 1 to 2 trades a day. QC trend, MNQ is like rapid fire. You're taking 2, 4, 5 trades a day on top of 1 to 2 with MGC. You have a lot of action, 6 to 8 trades a day going. It's for people who want to see volume. If you're somebody who doesn't like to see on Monday, you didn't take a single trade with automation on QC signals, then trend is a good additive for you. Um, I don't think that's a healthy habit of like, hey, I need to trade every single day, or like kind of like an addict. I'm not trying to be offensive, but like that's how I feel. Like almost a gambler's mentality of like, I gotta see trades, I gotta see movement. And I'm not judging it because I feel the same way. If I log in on a Monday and I don't have any trades taken, I'm like, dude, what is like this market is crazy. But if you're a trader and you want to see action, QC trend is the indicator on quantcrawler.com right now. The strategy that you just saw in this video is coming out in a few weeks. So I know someone's going to ask me, when is it coming out? I don't have a release date yet. When we get through testing and we validate and we know once it's forward tested with a group of 6 that everything works correctly, it will be released. Until that point, there is no announced release date. It could take 2 weeks. It could take 3 days. It could take 3 months. It doesn't matter. We have to figure this out and make sure that it's dialed in before it gets released. And when that time is ready, I will let everyone know when it's coming out. But right now, it's looking pretty good and it should be within the next 2 weeks. That's my goal. By the middle of August, this should be in your hands on your charts and executing your trades automated through Ghost.